where we're going. Well, here we go. Hey Taylor, what do you think? What do you think? Oh, now watch for the biggie. Hold on tight, here we go. Look at this good, here we go. Oh, watch out, dragon!
Cool!
You liked it, huh, Danny? Cool. Mommy, what do you think? Was that good?
Cool.
Taylor?
He's halfway.
You called it the sickest ride.